my channel. As you can tell by the title, this is another hair install. This time we're gonna do a fun like 90s updo. Honestly, I thought it was a fail. I was so frustrated doing this hairstyle because I wanted it to be something else, and it turned out to be what you see or what you're gonna see. So basically what I'm doing right now, as you can see, I have my ball cap on and I have put my makeup on there, and now I'm just wiping down the area, getting it clean so I can add the glue. This is an old wig. I think it's from like AliPearl. It's like a 26-inch hair, 26-inch straight. I'm not sure. I think the lace is like brown lace or something like that. I've had this wig for like a year. It's honestly, she tied, but I wanted to, do this fun updo, try and challenge myself or whatever. But yeah, so right now I'm just, sizing it up on my head, trying to figure out, pull to one side, pull the other side, just to make sure everything is straight for when I glue it down. Mm, as you can see, like on the side, like it's like a bald spot right there. So you can tell it's like super old because like I pulled at it and plucked it too much. And honestly, this wig install is not the best, but I literally wore this wig for maybe 2 days, maybe three. I literally only planned on wearing it for this video. And I actually might install it again for another video I have planned. But anyways, so now all I'm doing is I'm taking my hair glue and I'm gonna do 3 layers per usual. Um, and all I'm doing is taking my comb, the end of my comb, and I'm laying down the glue. And as you see, like I'm wiping it off. You really can't see it, but I'm wiping it off with that same cotton ball that I used to clean up my forehead area before I started applying the glue. You're just gonna see me continue to lay down this glue, and you have to wait until it's dry. Make sure you actually wait until it turns clear. I'm pretty sure my last layer though, I kind of went in a little too early. And you'll see that because like after I lay it down and everything like that, it'll kind of have some like white areas from the glue not drying fully. But yeah, you can speed up the process by like using a blow dryer to kind of dry it quicker. But honestly, patience is key when installing these wigs because you don't want to rush and then you just don't have a good install basically. So just take your time, let the glue do what it do. Take a second, look and see where you need to critique stuff at. Like, that's pretty much it. Just give it its time to do what it do. So now I'm gonna go on my last layer of glue. As you can see, the glue dried pretty quickly. Some areas are still kind of white, but I'm gonna go on my last layer of glue. I was low-key in a rush. Why, I do not know. I just be wanting to do my hair and get it done quickly, and I got to get out of that because, like I said, to have a good install, patience is definitely key. Not me stuttering. So now I'm just, again, applying this last layer of glue. I am brushing it down or like combing it down, laying it down, whatever you want to say, with the end of my comb. I am just making sure I get all of the glue evenly laid down, making sure I don't have like any small little dots that I haven't laid down yet. Just checking to make sure everything is straight. And now you'll see me start to kind of mess with the wig, maneuver it on my head to where it's sized properly, so that way when I bring it forward and lay it down in the glue, it'll be even on both sides. So as you see me bringing it forward, I'm bringing the beginning of my lace in the middle all the way to the edge of the glue. I'm making sure that I don't, how can I say this? I'm making sure that I'm putting it on top of the glue. I'm not leaving like a layer or a line of glue in front of my lace, because when you do that and when you get ready to try and style and do your baby hairs and stuff like that, the wig just won't look right. Like it won't lay right. It just won't be a good install. You see, like on the part where I just combed up, some of the lace wasn't glued down all the way. That is okay. So right now I'm just putting on my elastic band. I'm tying it down. I'm gonna leave it on there for maybe 10-15 minutes, and I blow dried my hair. So now I'm back. Like I said, you can kind of see the white around my lace at the beginning, and then you see me right here. Some of the lace didn't get glued down. I'm gonna cut that off because it's just lace that I don't need. I think I have it in two spots right there, and I think on the sides of my wig. But yeah, so that's okay if you have excess lace. Just cut it off because you really don't need it. You do not have to glue that down. But like I was saying, the white area, the white cast on my lace, that's okay. I'm gonna fix that. Don't worry about that, because at the end you're not even gonna notice it. Right now I'm just going in and cutting out this excess lace. As you can see, I had a lot of it. I feel like each time you reinstall a wig, I think it happens, you always are cutting off a little bit more lace, because each install is different, if that makes sense. Hi, so I'm back. And anyways, so as you can tell, it is a new day, a different day. Um, I have on a different shirt than I did in that last clip. But anyways, yeah, like I said at the beginning of the video, I was getting frustrated with trying to do the style that I actually wanted to, that the style that I actually wanted to do. And so I got so frustrated, I just said, forget it. And I waited till today to try and reaccomplish that style. But I'm gonna end up not doing that style anyways, but that's neither here nor there. So anyways, all you see me doing right now is sectioning off my hair to get it into this ponytail. I'm just combing it up, and I am going to spray some Got to Be Glued hairspray on it to kind of lay down those flyaways. And please do not mind my baby hairs. Like I said, I was getting frustrated. I didn't even do my baby hairs. They were like that for 2 days, yes. So anyways, you see me put my hair in a ponytail. The ponytail is not the best, but we're not finished. We ain't even started yet. So I'm taking a Got to Be Glue spray, and then I'm taking a hard brush and just brushing up the hair. And I'm pinning it up right now, but I am gonna take those pins out. I'm gonna get the ponytail right eventually. But I'm just doing it to the other side, and you're finna see in this neck flip, I'm going to try and add a bundle of hair into my ponytail. Like I said, I wanted to do another style, and I thought this would be the best way to get the style because my ponytail was a little skimpy. So I am putting the pony. First off, do you see how I'm trying to put this bundle in? That's how I knew it wasn't gonna work. But anyways, I'm wrapping it. I'm just wrapping it around. I'm not even installing a bundle how I should have installed it. I'm wrapping it around my ponytail, and I use like maybe um three what they call, three hair clips, three bobby pins. I use three bobby pins to secure this, and then you'll see me adding a ponytail like in the middle of the bundle, pretty much to kind of give myself some volume for the actual hairstyle that I wanted. But that didn't work. As you see, I'm trying to pull the hair down to kind of form it and shape it into how I want it, and my ponytail is just flopping all over the place. So obviously this did not work. So now you see me redoing my ponytail because obviously the trying to add the bundle, it wasn't working. So I am redoing my ponytail, and now I'm going to lay down my swoop or my bang. So I spray a little bit more got to be glue spray, and I'm kind of combing it out a little bit to get the knots or whatever out the hair, and then I am bobby pinning it to the back of my wig. So I'm gonna keep messing around with it, trying to get it right, but it looks pretty good, you know. Starting to see something, see a vision. And so anyways, so now I'm going to start curling my hair to get the 90s updo. So at first I didn't have this vision. I was trying to still do that same hairstyle um, that I wanted in at first. So I'm pinning up the curl. I sprayed just a little bit. Got to be glue spray to hold it in place so the curl wouldn't fall or whatever. So I'm gonna keep just curling my hair, trying to see if I can do that style. I'm gonna take a piece out as you see in the front to kind of give like a little razzle dazzle, make it a little bit cuter, make it my own hairstyle pretty much. I don't want to give the exact hairstyle, if you know what I mean. So I'm just gonna keep pinning up the curls, spraying a little bit of got to be glue spray to keep the curls hard and in that form and shape that I want. And yeah, you're gonna see like at first I had like a vision. Like I said, I wanted to basically the style that I wanted was I was going to curl the bottom, so it'd be a total of like 3 curls in a row all around. So it'd be kind of like a tier at the top of my head. But like I said, my ponytail was skimpy, so I couldn't do that. Hence why I decided to try and add the bundle. I just wasn't taking my time because I probably could have accomplished this style if I actually took my time and actually worked to get that style. And you see my face, I look like I'm like, okay, like I'm getting it, like I'm gonna get it. And you can see me kind of like at this point, like, okay, I'm just doing whatever because obviously it's not working. So I'm just pinning up the curls at this point. I don't have like a set way that I'm pinning them. I'm just curling and then pinning. And then I'll kind of use my hand to shape it how I want it to be shaped. But yeah, after I curl, I just roll it up and pin it. It's a pin curl. That's really it. I'm not gonna leave this curl out in the front of my head. Don't worry, I'm gonna pin it back up. So as you see, like it's not the best, it's not the worst either. But at this point, I was so, you probably can't tell, but I was really so over it. Like I'm starting to feel myself now. Like I see something. So I'm gonna pin up this last curl, and that's pretty much it. Like after this, I'm gonna just put on some makeup and throw on a nice shirt or whatever. I'm gonna actually before that, I'm gonna like kind of bump the ends at the bottom just to like so the rest of the hair won't be like so, I don't know, just there. So I tried to bump the ends a little bit. It didn't really bump that well, but something is better than nothing. But yeah, that's pretty much it.
Hi, so this is the end of the video. I don't know. I did okay. It wasn't the style that I wanted, but it's still cute. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you learn what not to do and what to do in this video. But this was fun. But please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.